Welcome everyone to another video. Today in this video I like to share you guys Huawei Y5p Camera review. I'm Shada from SHADAT'S Dayout. So let's start the video. Huawei Y5p Camera is single 8 megapixel camera with 2.0 aperture and 5 megapixel selfie camera with 2.2 aperture. So let's see some photo and video sample. Huawei Y5p you can record highest 1080 30 fps video. And 5 megapixel selfie camera with 2.2 aperture and selfie camera you can record highest 1080 30 fps video.